So here we go. We remove the air. ISP chamber won't go down. If it does go down, it's a stuck down, and you don't want to mess with it anymore. You just want to send it to a service center. Take your ends or a filter wrench. Just put it up there. Whoop. Undo it. So you clean those ring in there, the quad ring and the dust wiper. You clean this quad ring and inside the chamber right there. You can use like a shop rag or anything, and just want to make it as clean as possible. Then you put some 5-weight. What I'm saying? You put Fox fluid in there, 5 milliliter. Some grease, not the sticky one, just rock chalk, SRAM butter, or you can put like a little bit of Fox fluid in there. It's just gonna bleed a little bit in there, like it's just gonna bleed when it goes through the seal. And people will say, "Oh, your chalk is leaking," but it's not gonna be leaking. It's just like fluid working its way out. But it's okay since it's lubed. Look for any damage on the shaft or anything. Everything is good. Clean it. Check for your transfer port not to be clogged or anything. Look for anything suspicious. Transfer port is right over here. I don't know if you can see it, probably not, but yeah, it's here. It's like it's a little dent in the chuck body. Put it back. Try not be in lockout. Just push it down. You have to turn like a lot just for the thread to engage. Tight it just by hand, not too much. You can put the valve back if you did remove it. That's a good thing to do sometime. Pressurize. You're done. Thank you. Merci. Bonsoir.